picture taking, I think.
We call on the Jubilarians to go up the stage again for the picture taking. For the 25 years, the honorees for the 25 years, which is the silver. And the pearl, 30 years.
25 and 30.
May we request VP Cynthia Rose Bautista to join the honorees.
Dr. Jean is a professor and assistant chair at the Department of Political Science, College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. Before entering academia, he spent 15 years in public service as Director 3 of the Senate Economic Planning Office. She also taught at Meridian College International Studies Department and was a faculty associate at its Women and Gender Institute from 1999 to 2009. Dr. Jean holds a PhD in political science and a master's in administration from UP. Her research focuses on gender, labor out-migration, legislative politics, and women's rights. Her doctoral work examined the discursive framing of overseas Filipino workers, OFWs, as modern-day Europe. She has published extensively in books and international journals, with her recent work addressing gender nationalism, migration policy, and populism in the Philippines. Her articles appear in Routledge volumes in journals such as the International Journal for Masculinity Studies and Journal of Human Rights and Peace Studies. She also co-authored textbooks used in Philippine senior high school. At UP, she teaches feminist international relations, qualitative research methods, and gender and politics. Jean is a leading scholar in migration and gender studies in the Philippines, known for blending academic rigor with policy relevance. Our next jubilarian actually doesn't need an introduction anymore, but I will still introduce her. Professor Emeritus Maria Luisa E. Camama. Professor Malu